RMG and the CME group. RMG has been in business for thousands of years, if I'm not mistaken. And then the CME group has been in business for, if I'm not mistaken, also thousands of years. Almost 1,000 years or hundreds of years. I don't really know. And then you talk about the CME group does quadrillion amount of transactions annually. What quadrillion means, they do more than, if I'm right, $1,000 trillion transaction every year. And they trade Bitcoin futures and the rest of them. Let's see this video.
So Royalmint Gold, or RMG as we like to call it, is a innovative new gold investment product that Royalmint is bringing to market in 2017. It's going to offer you some great features with zero ongoing management and storage costs, coupled with direct ownership of physical gold. We think it will stand apart from anything else that's currently in the market. So we are deploying something called blockchain technology. That technology enables great efficiency in terms of how it's managed and how it's tracked. It's very important to us that we know whose gold we have in our vault. It's not our gold, it's owned by the holders of RMG.
There's no management fee, there's no ongoing storage cost, and there's a small transaction fee when you transact. It's also easier in terms of actually having price transparency, so there is trading that takes place on CME's trading platform, and you can have live pricing during the trading hours. We're actually using distributed ledger technology, which offers an economy of scale when we record ownership of RMG. RMG is very secure, so ultimately for every RMG that's on the network, there's 1 gram of gold sitting in our vault. We've been trading in gold and storing gold for 1,100 years for our customers. And ultimately with our partner CME, who've been trading for 170 years in the exchange world, we believe we're bringing a compelling proposition forward where people can feel very comfortable as to the security and the assurance of the product itself.
At this stage, we're actively inviting any investment advisor to get in touch with us. It's a relatively straightforward process to come on board, and then we will kind of give you all of the information that you need to actually offer this product to your clients. RMGs are non-regulated, so it's a direct ownership piece, so it's straightforward. You just need to get in touch.
So you are able to trade physical gold with RMG. So considering the partnership between RMG, not only RMG, you have RMG, then you have BitGo. BitGo does billions of transactions for people. So you can see the advantage you have. CME Group have been trading for 1,017 years now. RMG has been trading for 1,100 years now, and you can see the kind of volume of transactions, and you see the length of time, the experience. This is how much I told you, 1 quadrillion annually. You talk about BitGo that provides things like security and all that for businesses and all that. So what are the features? You're able to possess real gold, and this gold, RMG is real gold. Each and every RMG represents ownership of 1 gram of high-grade gold held in the Royalmint vaults. So holding this thing, you don't pay anything. You buy it. There's nothing like recurring costs and that. RMG are held on an allocated basis. You have ownership and legal title to your gold at all times. There is no counterparty risk. It's safe. There's nobody who's coming there to steal it, and it will be audited every month. Zero holding costs, physical gold, and can be traded also. And you can see the comparison between RMG and other platforms. Annual fees, none. Ownership, direct ownership. These are the other ones, they hold it. Blockchain makes them transparent, and then the list goes on and on. So if you want to invest, you can contact them and they will give you directions on how to go about it. So a big shout to all those who have been subscribing. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends, and do have a very good day.